Thank you so much. Yo, what's up mga master? Another great experience last night. You know, nalibre na naman kami ng dinner. And counting trivia doon sa pinuntahan naming hotel, the past and the present. Intercontinental Abu Dhabi was the first hotel in Abu Dhabi to have a stretch of white sandy private beach and a pool and a grand ballroom. The legend continued, and the hotel has maintained its pioneering spirit throughout its 40 years, offering award-winning dining options and comprehensive leisure facilities in an oasis of calm right in the heart of Abu Dhabi. And you know what, mga master? Intercontinental Hotel is a well-known landmark of United Arab Emirates. In the 80s, the drawing plans were being laid out to develop this first intercontinental 5-star hotel in Abu Dhabi. For centuries, Abu Dhabi has served as a crossing point for world travelers. The hotel has gained a great reputation as Abu Dhabi's finest premier hotel, situated in the heart of the diplomatic area on top of one of the only hills in the capital. That's why I feel blessed and happy to experience one of the highly commended favorite Latin American restaurant here in Abu Dhabi, the Chamas Churrascaria and Bar. And you know what, mga master? Nag-research pa ako about this finest restaurant. And I found out that Chamas reveals an enriched meat journey showcasing a selection of cuts reared on pampas grasslands of South America, Argentina, Australia, USA, Canada, and Europe. Best enjoyed the churrasco style. The restaurant, with its espectacular serving style by gaucho-trained pasadores, lends an eclectic energy and flamboyance.